Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds LG TONE Free with your PC. You have to start by press one time the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth and other devices, click enter or press on it. Now, right here at the right top you will see a device and you need to click on it. If you have Windows 10, this button you will see at the top. So click at device and right here in this window select Bluetooth. After that you need to open the charging case and at the top of your earbuds there's two dots. This is touch areas, so you need to press and hold at these touch areas until this little light starts blinking blue. Also these earbuds enter to mode automatically, so sometimes you don't need to do this. You can just wait a bit. If this LED light starts blinking, it means that it's entered to mode. Now at the device list you click on your earbuds and then click done. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!